What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. My wife was driving the Toyota and she said, oh, her car sounds funny. And I'm telling her, that's impossible. We got a Toyota. She said the car sounds funny. She's not going to ride it. She knows she's scared or whatever. Something's going on. So I pop up the hood. If you look here, you see all this fuzz, right? You see fuzz here, fuzz everywhere. If you look here at the belt, you see the bolt right there from the alternator? The bolt came off. So the bolt was rubbing against the belt and it chewed up the belt, and look how much of the belt it took off. That is a lot. Alright, so she was right, you know. Her Toyota does have a problem for once. But luckily for us, we always occupied, right? And always occupied always have backups. So we have here an extra belt. Alright, we have radiator hoses, we have all types of stuff, thermostats, you name it. I always have backups. Spark plugs. I don't usually experiment with her car. My car I experiment with, but we do have a backup belt. But I think if the belt would have snapped, then the car would have just cut off. Interference engine and blah blah blah. I'll let the true mechanics figure all that out. Also for this, I have a backup alternator. This is our important car to have. You know, my car is, you know, whatever. But anyways, let me go ahead, change the belt, and then I'll get back up with y'all. Alright, you guys, so I got the ratchet in there, 14mm, tightening up that bolt. What I'm going to do is, when I get this belt off, I will put some Loctite into this screw. That way it shouldn't come back off again. But that is insane. But the car is of age, so things are bound to happen. Even though only thing happened was the alternator and of course the battery. Out of the course of 15 years of having this car, a little bit more than 15. In 3 more years, this car will be 20 years old, you guys. 20 years old Toyota Camry. That is insane. Alright. I got it in there enough. Man, this belt is literally half. Wow. This thing ate up most of the belt. Woo. Luckily, I got a backup belt. I did look online to see if they got anything else. Maybe somebody might want me to review a certain belt. Maybe different belt brands are different. For right now, I have an emergency. So, unfortunately, I might not get this done today. Well, not this morning, because I don't really have time. I got some runnings to do. But I will get this done today. I need to get my belt tensioner, in which I loaned to somebody. So I need to go ahead and get that. The Craftsman one y'all seen me review, yeah, I need to get that back. So I let somebody use it, and I need it back. Other than that, we should be good to go. And I know y'all can't see it, but the bolt is literally right there. Alright, you guys, so we did change the belt right there. We also changed the water pump. We changed the thermostat. The thermostat is right there. This is a 2006 Toyota Camry. So let me put the light right there. The thermostat is right there. I don't want to touch nothing because I just got finished driving. Alright, so thermostat. Alright, we changed the water pump. We changed the belt right here. Changed the belt, looking good. Alright, I would show y'all the water pump is right there. changed the water pump, and also with changing the water pump, we changed the motor mount, one of the motor mounts, which is right under there. But you have to change that motor mount, you have to take the tire off to change the motor mount. And we changed the motor mount right here, this motor mount. So we changed 2 motor mounts. The third one is down here, right there. So I'll change that later, but we changed the motor mounts, water pump, the belt, and the thermostat. All of it's right here. So you have a mount right here. We changed that. We have the other mount here. As you can see, it broke. This is the mount that's on top. For some reason with Toyota, 2006 era, generation 2000 to 2006, I believe it is, or 2002 to 2006, the motor mount on top always break. My father-in-law have one too, and his broke a couple of times. And then we have the belt here. Also with the 2006 Toyota Camry, the daggone links break all the time. So we have the thermostat. The thermostat has been replaced. Water pump. All right. And oh yeah, the tensioner. So we also changed the tensioner, and that's about it. Oh yeah, we changed the radiator cap as well. And that's about it, you guys. I believe I got the tensioner from Amazon. I'll put a link in, and if I find anything else that I did, I'll put a link in the description so y'all can check it out for yourselves as well. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.